Top 5 Audi A4 catalytic converter problems from experts in Thousand Oaks. Audi A4 is an entry-level luxury sedan that comes packed with many advanced features. The popularity of Audi A4 can be gauged from the number of cars one gets to see on the road of Thousand Oaks. However, of late Audi A4 drivers have been complaining about the failing catalytic converter in their car. Here are the top 5 Audi A4 catalytic converter problems. Bad smell from exhaust. The catalytic converter is a part of the emission control system in your car. If there is a problem with the converter, then you will smell something like rotten eggs coming from the exhaust. A bad catalytic converter is unable to convert the sulfur into hydrogen sulfide. Check engine light is on. The check engine light in your Audi A4 is a warning light that illuminates if there is something wrong in the car. If the catalytic converter in your Audi A4 has gone bad, then the check engine light will illuminate. You will need to use a diagnostic scan and code reader for finding out the exact issue. Poor performance. One of the prominent signs of a failed catalytic converter is a poor performance from your Audi A4. If the catalytic converter is clogged, then the engine will not be able to provide adequate power to the car. A partial blockage inside the catalytic converter takes place due to carbon buildup. Failed emissions test. Nowadays, there are stringent emissions tests that one needs his vehicle to pass. Most parts of the United States will require your Audi A4 to pass a smog test every few years. A malfunctioning catalytic converter is a common reason behind failing an emission test. Unusual noise. If the parts inside the catalytic converter break apart due to excessive heat and damages, then you will hear sounds. You will likely notice a rattling sound coming from under your Audi A4 while idling or driving. This unusual noise will often be loudest while starting the car and you need to replace the catalytic converter. Conclusion. These are some of the problems that are associated with a malfunctioning catalytic converter. Take your Audi A4 to a certified repair shop for replacing the catalytic converter. Thank you.